Take a look at this before and after. A home that was empty before, but now works for daily life. You might be in the same situation as this client where the room feels bare and echoing, so you don't know where to start. What changed is not the size, but the plan. The layout was defined first, then furniture and decor were added only where you actually need them, so every area now has a clear purpose and smooth flow. This Japandi concept shows how your space can work better when simplicity and function comes first. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the before photo, the space has a good open area size, but it feels directionless. For this kind of base finish, you keep the existing wood plank flooring and the soft white wall color because both already work well for a Japandi space. What you need to do is introduce clear zones. Let's start with clear separation. You can add a vertical open shelf partition in natural oak wood between the living area and the entry. It defines zones without blocking airflow or natural light, but it still provides privacy and structure. You use the open shelves for personal collections, but you control the spacing and depth. Now for the main furniture piece. You can start with a light beige L-shaped fabric sofa. Its low back keeps sightlines open, so the space still feels wide even with more seating. You add accent pillows in muted green, patterned gray, and soft brown to control color flow and balance. At the center, you place a round wood nesting coffee table and keep it compact, so walking paths stay clear. The rounded shape softens the straight lines of the sofa, so the space feels calm and balanced. You keep the coffee table decor simple, a flower vase, stacked books, and a small object so it stays clean and usable. Beside the sofa, you place a round side table in light oak wood with a marble top to support daily use, and you can put any items you can access easily. To prevent the furniture from feeling like it's floating, you add an area rug with subtle black accents. It plays a major role in organizing the space, and its soft texture reduces echo and footstep noise. Then add a wood shelving trolley in natural oak that connects directly to the seating area, so small items stay within reach without crowding the coffee table. To control natural light, you install white Venetian blinds, but you keep the slats slim, so light is filtered instead of blocked. Next, you build the entertainment wall, starting with the backdrop because this is the main visual anchor of the space. A wood flat panel combined with a vertical slat wall accent acts as the main base. The natural oak tone warms up the space, but it stays neutral, so it blends easily with beige furniture and light flooring. Add a white backdrop panel with curved open shelving so the white surface lightens the entire wall. This keeps the Japandi look clean and warm, so the entertainment area feels calm, bright, and thoughtfully designed. Mount your flat-screen TV centered on the white backdrop, but at eye level, so viewing feels natural from the sofa. Below, choose a low slim console in white and wood finish. The console's long horizontal form balances the vertical wood slats, so the wall feels visually stable. To finish the wall, you add minimal decor, but limit the quantity so the wall never feels busy. Your living area now has clear direction, proper zoning, and visual balance, but it still feels open and calm, so the space works for both daily living and relaxing. The estimated total cost ranges from $3,720 to $4,200, and similar items can be found in the product tags below. The kitchen design focuses on warm materials, clean lines, and smart zoning, so daily cooking feels easy and organized. The partial partition wall that goes up to the ceiling defines the kitchen without fully closing it, allowing light to pass through. To support smooth flow, an L-shaped layout works well in this space. You can install a light solid surface countertop that reflects light but stays neutral. Its continuous finish runs through the L shape, so the counter reads as one clean surface. Pair it with a vertical tile backsplash that adds texture without strong color, but the vertical lines make the wall feel taller. Install push-to-open base cabinets in warm taupe to keep the lower area visually light but still provide deep storage. The sink is installed under the window, and the cooking area is placed along the same counter, so movement stays efficient. To stay consistent, use upper cabinets in the same taupe tone to reduce contrast, but the glass door section breaks the solid mass. The closed cabinets are used to hide kitchen items and small appliances. Meanwhile, the glass door cabinet protects items from dust, so you get display without full exposure. The side space is dedicated to a tall cabinet fridge unit with open shelves. Functionally, the shelves keep small items and small appliances within reach, and this prevents the fridge wall from becoming a solid block. Then, add an indoor plant to bring life and softness, while a woven basket for natural texture so the kitchen feels warm and lived in. You can use white Venetian blinds to keep privacy, so the kitchen stays bright and comfortable during the day. This kitchen works because every element supports the next, but nothing competes for attention, so the space feels balanced and intentional. For this hallway, you want it to feel warm, organized, and easy to use, but without blocking movement. You start with the soft beige carpet flooring, so the texture softens every step the moment you come in and reduces noise in this high-traffic area. Next, you install a built-in tall storage unit that gives you maximum storage, but uses vertical space. This storage includes closed cabinets and a tilt-out shoe cabinet, which keep footwear hidden. The bench seat allows you to sit comfortably when putting on shoes, and the wall hook's rail mounted on the slatted accent wall keeps bags, hats, and scarves within reach. LED strip lights installed above the slat wall provide even brightness and add depth. To visually widen the space, a floor-to-ceiling grid mirror is added. This mirror also supports daily routines, and by aligning it with the height of the tall cabinet, you keep vertical lines consistent. You can add abstract wall art with a picture light to give the wall character without adding furniture. A low console cabinet is placed to ground the wall visually. Its storage stays closed, so everyday items remain hidden and the hallway stays clean. Above it, you use a balanced grid of small frames to avoid strong graphics, so visual noise is reduced. You keep decor minimal using small plants and ceramic vases, so every piece feels intentional and light. Now, you turn a simple hallway into a complete daily use zone, but without visual clutter. This can be achieved for around $2,540 to $2,740. This transformation shows that you don't need more space, but better planning, so every corner finally works for you. With the right layout, furniture, and finishes, your home can feel calm, warm, and connected, but still practical for daily life, so nothing feels wasted. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.